Have you ever seen a whole cow being roasted? Not a lamb, but a whole dang cow. Pretty rare sight, right? Back in the day, cows were work animals, rarely ended up on the dinner table like this. And this beast weighs a whopping ton. What happened to it? Let's find out. First, it's time to butcher it up so the flavor can seep in. With a cow this size, ordinary roasting is just not gonna cut it. So, it's secured on an automated rotisserie. Next up, the crucial part. Just the right amount of sauce is the heart of great roasted beef. Salt and pepper are key for getting rid of any gamey smell. Gotta rub it in everywhere. Add some vegetable oil and fire up the Fruitwood. Let the fun begin. Flip the switch to start roasting the beef. Meanwhile, everyone else gets busy to preparing flatbread for serving today. Once the dough's rolled out, it's gently baked on an old pot base. Flip it, and it's ready to go. At this point, the beef is changing too. The color is turning golden. To add more flavor, they're constantly basting with orange juice while roasting. Not only does it get rid of the gamey smell, but it gives it a delicious extra layer. To savor this dish, it'll need another 10 hours of slow roasting, until the surface is completely golden brown and bursting with aroma. You can use a small knife to carve the meat. Cut it as thick or thin as you like. The resulting roasted beef is absolutely delicious. You can eat it straight up, or slice it up and have it with some flatbread. Spread some tomato sauce and salad on the bread. You can add any sides you like. The rich filling will instantly satisfy your appetite. Then roll it up little by little. And there you have it, a beef flatbread wrap. The kids at the table can't wait to dig in. When they get their wraps, it's like they've become gourmet diners. Only eating can express their appreciation. The texture of the meat is thick and rich, the fresh flavor combined with the sides. You could eat 20 of these without getting tired. That was an incredible culinary experience, wasn't this meal? Pretty wild, right? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button and share it with your friends. And subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on more amazing and unusual food around the world. See you in the next video.